Welcome. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a setup that I've been discussing a lot over the last couple of months. And I've been discussing it in anticipation of a future, which we can say is happening now, where markets could be in a pullback mode. So to be sensitive, in other words, to be on the lookout, so that you don't get caught up with instruments going down, there's a way to gauge what's going on based on stocks that have been doing well, or ETFs. So in this example, we have an ETF. It is the Vanguard Total World Stock ETF. So basically, we can say it tracks the entire global market as a whole. So one can use it to gauge global market sentiment. So, all right, I'll have two numbers here. The first number, the top number, is 105.4, which is the monthly closing high from August. And if you notice here, in other words, we formed a base. And this is the base right here. I'll draw it like that. So that's the base. And we can see that we did spend a month above it. Oh, by the way, this is a monthly chart. So every line you see here is 1 month of data. So we had a breakout there in October above this number. But that did not last because we immediately went back into the base here. We tried a breakout early in this month of December. Now we are below and back below the base. In other words, if we take this to be the base, for example, and this to be 105.4, what I'm saying is, so that's our breakout level. We've broken out before in October. We drifted back into the base. We broke out over the last 2 months, but now we are back below the base. So all of those are red flags. In other words, all of these are failed breakout attempts. So all of these are failed breakout attempts. Now, what we need to do or can do is take the lowest monthly closing low. In this case, it is 101.07, which goes back to the monthly closing low right here in September. And with the following understanding, if we break below that price level, in other words, if we break below this base, then that is a second red flag. And whenever it happens, if it breaks 101.7, then that is going to be confirmation that there is a high likelihood that the next meaningful direction is down. Now, this is just a quick summary. I explained this exact method, which I call the 2 wrongs method. And there are going to be links in the description of this video, giving you lots of free information if you want to understand this concept. So take a look if you're interested at the links that are provided in the description of this video. And so it is. I am Eric with Muathe.com. And I leave you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.